Are you hoping to renovate? Or maybe you just have a project that needs the help of a general contractor. With so many choices, some key questions can really help narrow down your search. Today's guest will share some insider tips on quickly finding the right general contractor in your area.
We are asked all the time, how does someone find the best contractor to clean their water and sewer lines in their home? Well, here are some important things to verify when choosing a contractor to clean your lines. Number one, are they an established business with references? Customer references and supplier references are important and helpful in choosing the right water and sewer cleaning services. Does the contractor have a history of quality workmanship? Customer references will tell you if the contractor can do quality work like the property owner desires. And does the contractor post reviews online for the property owner to evaluate? Are they licensed and insured? Make sure the contractor has both workers' compensation insurance and general liability insurance. If they're not insured, then the property owner is responsible if there is an incident on their property. Number two, factory trained and certified. Are they trained and certified by the manufacturer of the equipment they are using? At PdM Professionals, all of our people are factory trained by Powerline and Hotjet USA. Water and sewer lines are not something to play around with. Be sure the people on your property are trained for the equipment that they use to give the property owner many years of peace of mind. Number three, can the contractor perform all of the required services to complete the job to the homeowner's satisfaction? For example, can they clean small and large lines from 3/4 inch to 24-inch lines and up to 300 feet long? Can they use hot or cold water injection as the job requires? Can they use with or without detergents as appropriate? And can they cut tree roots with water pressurization?
Wow, it's good to know how easy it is to quickly find the right professional, and now you're well on your way. Ready to learn more? You can reach today's guest by calling the number on your screen. See you next time!